crackle and gold bead bracelet with flower charm.
So you're going to need some elastic. This is 0.8 millimeters, cutters or scissors, a bulldog clip to stop your beads from falling off, or you can just leave it on the reel, don't cut it off, but these are better to have. And these are gold plated beads. Okay, so I'm going to measure 12 inches and cut. Put the bulldog clip on the end. Right, I'm going to start with this one. It's like a focal bead. Like this one. Okay, we'll start here. These are 8mm crackle beads. Very light lilac, 2 light pink, and this is a 10mm bead. All the supplies are available on my website, www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're working on any craft projects, I'd love to see.
Share a photo in the description below.
Can you see the pattern? I've just restocked these beads. Some are metal, some are acrylic, and they go down to 2 millimeters.
These gold beads are 4 millimeters.
Oop. Oh, at least I know what I'm doing. I think. I don't know if you can see, but there's the pink bead. Slightly different from these lilac. And I think there's the other one just there. I must end with a gold bead on there, so okay, I think that will be the last bead. Okay. So I'm just going to give a stretch. We're going to tie, just like you do in your shoelaces. Then we're going to go under again, but we're going to go under it twice. And then pull. Go, instead of like this, we're just going to go like this. And then pull. And then one for luck. There we are. There is our bracelet. Just take the cutters. There is our beaded bracelet. And what I want to do,
I want to add a gold enamel flower charm.
is I've just taken a jump ring
And I attach the flower charm to the jump ring and then close.
and there's our bracelet.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching. Bye.